Good morning, guys. We are back at it today. We had a long weekend to the Cape with the Land Rover car show. It went very well. Now, hopefully, I can put all this back together. Just hopefully, I can finish this ongoing project. Oh, it's become a project now. It was a job and now it's become a project because, well, there's a lot of other work that needs to get done on a lot of other vehicles, and unfortunately this guy had to go on the back burner. But it's okay. I try to stay as organized as possible. I just hope I remember where everything goes. Yeah, you have to stay organized when you do a job like this because you don't want to be left with some OTS bolts when you're done. OTS, over the shoulder.